Ooh, you got a Hooks Detailing sticker. Smokey. Teddy.
This is the one I got Sophie because she loves Teddy.
That's when you got your cousin, yeah. Can you tell everybody, say, welcome to C10s in the City.
Welcome to C10s in the City.
Welcome to United by Trucks. We are at C10s in the City. And, well, we got a parking lot full of trucks. Lots of cool folks around, lots of vendors. We're gonna show you what this thing's about. You ready to go check this out? Let's do it. Mike, what you doing, man?
Man, I'm sorting these raffle tickets out.
Yeah, you are.
You ain't gonna believe the prizes we got.
Oh, you know any of them?
Oh yeah, we're doing the United by Truck experience.
They're behind the scenes.
Yeah.
You get to come hang with me and Mike and the rest of the guys and see what we're up to for a day.
Spend the night at Robbie's house.
Nah, you spend it out at Mike's house.
See what his YouTube search engine looks like.
We're not talking about that kind of behind the scenes. I'm leaving Mike. He's too rowdy. What's up, man? What's up? What's up? We're great, man. Look who I found immediately. Rocky Top in the house. You bring Pearl?
I did.
I know you brought Pearl. There she is.
Sitting over there with her hood.
Oh,
And guess what?
What?
We got another fellow fireman here.
Oh, yeah. What's up, dude?
What's up?
Say your name and where you're from.
No, Daniel Brooks. I'm from Marietta, Georgia.
Ballin'. Thanks for coming, dude.
Yeah, man.
We got Hooks Detailing out here. I'm just giving everybody shout outs. Look, we got, it's my wife, my little girl. Say what's up?
Millie's been working hard selling.
She been selling? Oh, yep. We're here at the UBT booth. That is a little different. We got us a new canopy, some new tables, a little on that black and gray scale. Where's Bubba?
He had to go to the bathroom.
He had to go to the restroom. All right. Well, Jack went to the bathroom.
We'll show you him when he gets back.
Okay, we're gonna show him when we get back. All right, so we're gonna get out, film some trucks, and show you what all's here. But first, I think we need to go find Rick. I see him over there. Let's go talk to him.
How you doing, man?
AMD, DJ Fabrication, and so many more.
All over the fence. Take another left. Right
Get your raffle tickets.
Thanks for coming.
What's up, dude?
What's up, dude?
Tell them what's happening. What's going on?
We got a lot of trucks here, man.
Dude,
You know what? I got
you having a good time?
Yeah, I'm having a great time, man.
Man, you out here giving out koozies, talking to people. Don't let me interrupt you. Go ahead.
Hey, what's up? How you doing?
130,
Yes, sir.
143, 025, 020.
Okay, so we got the more important person, Sarah. What's up? Rick and Sarah put this together, C10s in the City, and I'm so pumped to be a part of it. But tell us what's going on here today.
Well, we haven't counted the trucks yet, but we think maybe 200.
Wow.
I think it's at least 200.
Guys coming from all over the city, like last time, that we haven't even seen before.
But we got
All over
people.
the city, we got people from Delaware,
Yeah.
Ohio, Kentucky, Arkansas, Omaha, Alabama.
Tennessee.
Well, my favorite
North
part,
Carolina.
though, is the guys, like the urban guys that never come out to those shows because it's too far.
Yep. Obviously, we got just trucks pulling up right here while we're sitting here doing this interview. But I know there's a couple shout outs you guys need to give. So,
Yeah, the biggest one, C10 Builders Guide.
yeah.
Then we got United by Trucks, How's It Doing Garage. We got
Auto Metal
C10 Club
Direct.
Georgia, Auto Metal Direct.
It's been huge for us. They've been helping us with everything. There's more. I'm just struggling.
There's more, but that's it. That's all. It's fine.
Yeah, we got them. I think we got them all.
We'll just film the back of the shirt here.
And then all the
There you go.
See?
Then we got all the people, the volunteers that helped us. It's been amazing too.
Yeah. Well, I'm gonna go film some trucks.
All right,
this is
do
awesome. Thanks for letting us be a part of this.
Thanks,
So
Robbie.
good.
Big time. number 9. Diamonds in my teeth, I got a lot of shine. Running up the number, that's a lot of crime. Try to take it from me, must be out your mind. Big time, lot of slime. Smoky in the air, that's a lot of pine. Pockets running over with the dollar sign. Try to take it from me, yeah. Big time, big time, big time.
Running up the numbers, that's a lot of crime. Try to take it from me, must be out your mind. We reverse it on you.
Film, son. Film.
Smoky in the air, that's a lot of crime. Just running over with the dollar signs. Try to take it from me. Big time.
Everybody thinks that Pecos is cleared and it's not.
I just want to know where you've been.
Man, I've been out here working.
TTR, where you been?
I've been working. Tell him I've been working.
He's making sure I'm getting all dialed in over here, man.
I'm trying to get,
You got to take what he says with a grain of salt.
no, I'm trying to get my man hooked up with hooks. He was talking about clearing this. Tell him, say we don't clear patina.
Oh,
we
man.
buff it.
Yeah.
Oh man, I can't voice my opinion.
Look at these wheels,
I don't
man.
want
I love
nobody's
these
feelings.
wheels. I love the color combo.
I do too. I like that
You gotta
too.
get the Master Rust.
There you
Hey,
go.
ain't nothing wrong with that.
Nothing wrong with that. In Rust we trust. We
Rust we trust. I got that Rust all dialed in, huh?
I've been on the road, I've been doing shows. Now we eating steak, remember sleeping on the floor. We stealing at the gas station when the time was cold. In the kitchen, hot still trying to flip it out the stove. Rocking fake J's, praying that nobody know. Watch them take my dog away, it was way too hard to stay composed. Fight to see the light of day, all this blood on my clothes. I was tired every day, green light, it's time to go. I don't wanna live life fast or die too young. Die too young. 100 miles per hour, I might crash cause the good die young. Yeah, the good die young. Push it to the limit, I can't go no more. Red light, no way, I'm coming back home. Long dirt road, all on my own. I'ma be the greatest, write my name in the stone. Write my name in the stone. Yeah, I'm coming back home. Yeah, I'm coming back home. Write my name in the stone. Cause I'm coming back home. Cause I'm coming back home. Right back where I left because I know my people needed me. Diamond in the rough, I don't know what it is they see in me. Go down as a legend in my city cause we beat the streets. Trying to spread the wealth around the block, no I can't keep from me. Told me I should leave. I see the bigger picture and it's way bigger than me. Can't be living like a king, but my people need to eat. If I got it, then you got it, we gon' get back on our feet.
All the doubters, doubters, to those who don't believe, this is the hour. You'll see, the cloud is out of obstacles and stepping stones from roadblocks. Slip over the lines to say we won't cross, but you can't take nothing. They won't see us coming. Scale all of the walls they built to hold us. We may be invisible, but we'll be unmistakable. We may be invisible. They may be blind to me, just wait and see.
All right, guys, that's gonna do it for C10s in the city. We're, well, you see these trucks down here leaving, and we're packing up, about to roll out. Man, what a great time we've had, and hope you guys will consider checking this show out. Then we're gonna do another one later in the year. Talk to Rick and Sarah, get that all figured out. But you can see some of the caliber of trucks that came. Obviously, you can see some of them leaving. So much fun. Albini. The man that made it all happen. I don't know where Sarah is. She also made it happen.
She made it happen.
Made it happen.
Yeah.
It was sick, dude.
Awesome. Thank you
So
guys.
rad. So rad.
It was a good time.
Anything else you want to say?
No, I just had a blast.
Me too, man.
I'm looking for the next one.
Me too. Then we might do another one in 2022. I told him we were going to talk to you about that.
Yeah. We're thinking about September.
Mark your calendar. September, ATL. We'll let you know the details.
Yeah.
Real quick. This is serious, people. Leave a comment down below for Rick and Sarah. Tell them how awesome they did on this show, because super killer, really cool concept, and they're pulling it off. So, C10s in the city. Catch you next time. Thanks for joining.
All the haters, those filled with jealousy, the naysayers, payers for the fee.